Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Virgo. At Sun, your person current feelings and their near future actions. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. And this reading is from June 11th to June 20th. So let's see your person current feelings. Lot of spots, but I am not. So let's see your person current feelings, Virgo. 7 of Pentacles, Justice, 10 of Swords. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I think one person ended this connection or one cycle is getting to be ended definitely. 10 of Swords is cycle ending. One person is totally give up on this connection but another person is waiting. 7 of Pentacles, but one person in this connection invest more than the other. Justice, definitely there will be justice, reconciliation, there will be a chance, but it will take time because your person is thinking for reconciliation, but I think it is you completely give up on this connection. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Virgo. Eight of Wands, Ace of Cups, wow. Eight of Pentacles, yes, your person want to communicate you, they want to express their feelings and things are also moving very fast. And Ace of Cups, they want to offer this cup of love to you. There is a new beginning, Ace and Justice here. And Eight of Pentacles, your person want to work on this relationship seriously and they want to take this relationship to next level. Yes, they are serious now. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. The Star, your person could be Aquarius. 5 of Swords, 10 of Cups, the Moon. Yes, I think one person, there are some secrets hidden in this connection. I think you could be hide something from your person or your person something hide from you, the Moon. But the disputes are going to be end definitely because 5 of Swords here, the Moon. In near future, 10 of Cups, your person want to offer this 10 of Cups to you. And the Star, definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. Communication is coming in your way. Your person want to communicate things clearly to you and they want to offer this cup of love and they want to work on this relationship seriously. So they want reconciliation with you. Definitely they will make a move towards you and they will communicate to you in near future. So this is reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.